Hello viewers, I welcome you all to my channel. To my lovely subscribers, I welcome you all. For those of you who normally view my video without subscribing, I welcome you all. Guys, subscription is free, guys. Doesn't cost anything. For your own benefit, to also keep you notified anytime I post interesting video. Please kindly hit the button subscribe to get you notified. Okra contains a natural slippery gel called mucilage. This helps to coat the hair strands, making them feel softer and reducing friction while combing. I like using okra because it adds sleep and helps to keep my daughter's hair moisturized. So a lot of people ask, won't okra smell on the hair? Guys, okra doesn't have any smell. It doesn't have any smell. So if you apply it on your hair, you won't even notice if you apply something. So it doesn't have any smell at all. I assure you that okra doesn't leave any smell at all. So it doesn't have any smell. When you apply it on your hair, it's not going to be leaving any smell. So, but if you're not convinced, you can still be adding a little fragrance on it. If you're not convinced, you can add a little fragrance on it. People also ask, who can use okra? Anyone can use okra. You can use this as a leave-in conditioner on your hair before plaiting your hair, or even though you don't want to plait your hair, or while combing your hair to reduce friction to avoid your hair from cutting, you can use okra. Guys, I'm sure if you use okra, you're not going to be trying a store-bought leave-in conditioner again. Anyone can use okra. You can add okra. You can use okra on your natural hair. So before I forget, this is the way. So I start by adding water, this, and stir it very well. So I'm going to be adding my okra on a heat for 60 seconds is okay. You can see the amount of water I added. Don't let your okra to be too thick. So this is a weak up. So after 60 seconds, I brought down my okra. So I use my a weak cap as a cheesecloth. So if you have a stronger one, that as in that you know you trust, you can still use. So me, I use a weak cap. So weak cap is good for me, so there won't be particles passing by. So guys, passing out. So guys, I assure you, if you let any particles pass out while using this, you are going to be doing a lot of hard work to get it out from your hair, because it's going to be sticking on your hair. So you're going to be doing a lot of hard work to remove it from your hair. You can see the way I am doing it, guys. So guys, if you know you are keeping a natural hair, this is so perfect for you. So going back to my explanation, who can use okra? Okra is good for everyone. It's good for your natural hair. It's good for your relaxed hair. Okra is good for your children. You can see it when I was applying it on my daughter's hair. Okra is very perfect in anybody. It doesn't have any age difference. You can use okra on your coily and also on your kinky hair. If you have a coily or kinky hair, so you can use it on your hair. If your hair is dry and or tangled, you can use okra. Okra works very best in a tangled hair. So you can see the way it's drawing. So this is where it's going to be slippery on your hair. This is the way it's going to be detangling your hair. Makes all those places that tangle, makes it more easier to comb, to detangle them, and makes it more easier to comb. So I'm going to be adding a little oil. So this oil is going to be serving as a moisturizing oil. So even if you don't add a additional, or if you don't add any oil, you are good to go with only okra, because okra has a moisturizer in it. So but for me, I added oil in it to help it, as in to make the hair more moisturized. So I've, I explained earlier, I'll be applying it on her hair to make detangle, as it makes her hair to detangle and makes it easier to comb. So guys, this is how I use it before plaiting her hair. It helps softens her hair, makes it is easier to part and braid, and also keep her hair feeling moisturized during the protective styles. So you can see the way this okra dries. So no one was helping me out during this video. So I was the one holding the plates. I was still the one applying it. So I was doing the both work. So see the way the okra dries. I'll show you the moment this thing enters your hair. It's not as if the people you'll be thinking now that if you apply this on your hair, won't your hair be drying? No. The moment it enters your hair and the moment you start combing your hair, the drawness disappears. So going to disappear. You are not going to be noticing anything draws. The moment it enters your hair, you won't notice anything like that. Just that is going to be the drawness is going to be helping you to comb out the hair. So after washing this hair, you can see I didn't even comb it. So it makes the combing. So I'm combing from the roots, like I told you. So if you want to comb your hair, to avoid it cutting, so you comb from the roots down to the middle, then you comb from the tips down to the middle, or you comb from the tips down to the roots. So you can see the way I'm doing it. This hair is a virgin hair. So you see that it's very, very easy. By the time you applied okra on it, it helps to detangle the hair easily and makes it more easy to comb. So back in the ancient days, have you ever wondered what they were using to manage their virgin hair? Because everyone then they were on a virgin hair. Everyone then they were all on virgin hair, and they were as in they were not complaining. They were not complaining, so they were using herbs like okra and other things to manage their virgin hair. So guys, you can see how this is slippery on the hair. You can see it. So guys, before I forget, the oil I added was my avocado oil with coconut oil that I made. So you can go watch out of my video how I made this avocado oil with coconut oil mixed together. So guys, it is not a must that you use it. So you can use any of your hair care or oil routine. So it is not compulsory you use mine. For me, I use my avocado. So with regular use, your hair may feel softer, easier and to easy to manage and less dry. Because everyone's hair is different, so results are varies. Be consistent in it. So guys, I assure you are going to be seeing a great result. Guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, for more natural hair care tips. Guys, let me know in this comment section if you are going to be trying this and if you have ever used okra before and if you are going to be using it after this video. I love you all. Bye bye.